Okay, so we've got a TOA 60 model Cuisinart air fryer here, and the bulb went out after about 20 uses, yay. And so I saw some YouTube videos about how to replace the bulb, and I started to follow them and ran into a little problem. On the other videos, once you take this back panel off, this area is open. Well, guess what? It's not open here. And if you'll notice, this housing has two screws for the bulb, here and here. And they've got little protections on this side so you can't actually get to them and unscrew them. And this you can't actually unscrew because it's screwed in here and here. And you can't get to those screws either. At least I don't know, maybe with a special screw you could. So here's the easy way to do it. Down here in the housing, there was a little screw with with a nut and a washer that holds the bulb assembly up on the bottom. Simply take these out. If you have a, well, let's see, I used a 1/4 inch or 6mm socket to just get in there, and I just twisted it with my fingers. If you got strong fingers, you can get it out. And then get that out, and you bend down the two tabs, and your little bulb assembly will just pop right out. So replace your bulb, put it back in there, put the tabs back up and the back on, and you're all done. It's a much easier way to do what should be easy and isn't because of the designers at Cuisinart. Thanks for watching.